In the city, remember used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot of Tucson, like, are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up a Jimmy Neutron. I could help you get a move on, like a U-Haul. All right, another Beebs, Yukon. Let's get into it. We got 3 chords. Let's do it. First chord, C minor 7, C, E flat, G, B flat. That is our C minor 7 chord. Second chord, D 7, D, F sharp, A, C, D7. Last chord, G minor, G, D, G, and a B flat on top there. So now we just got to get the rhythm, which goes a little something like this. So from the start with the C minor 7, we got, that's going to be our rhythm. So you got left hand, that kind of thing. Then our second chord, G minor. So that G one is slightly different. I played it wrong, like a silly boy. So we got so it's slightly different to the first two. So we got from the start. You don't have to do that last chord like that if you don't want to. You can just do it the same as these. And you can just go I don't care. It's up to you. You can live your life. It's the kind of guy I am, you know? Just live your life. Maybe you can switch it up and then go and that's how we do that. That's it. So you can just play around with it. Once you get that, it's kind of got a little Spanish vibe, sort of. And you can play around a little. Maybe not like that, but you know. I think it does that. It's kind of got a little bit like that. Then you could go back. So you could switch it up, you know. Just keep it interesting. Now, play music.